The Graphical Forecasts for Aviation, or the GFA, is a web interface designed to provide all the necessary weather information you need to plan your next flight. The goal of this video is to provide a quick tutorial of the GFA. The most recent upgrade to the GFA provides a mobile-friendly interactive map incorporated into our new web layout. To view any of the weather data, utilize the Weather dropdown found within the navigation bar along the top of the web page. The Aviation Weather Center's in-house advisory products can be loaded separately using the Product dropdown. The data type will display on the top left of the map, with buttons found on the right to modify the user settings. Change what layers are visible with the Layer selector at the top, or modify how data is displayed under the Map Options button. Another helpful feature of the GFA is the ability to plot a flight route over the map and view cross-sectional data. In the pop-up window, enter your navigation point identifiers, and selecting a data parameter will display a cross-section from your flight. A pink line will appear behind the box to outline your path. The magnifying glass and compass are new features to help you search for your specific airport or center your location on the page. If you are looking at current observation information, you'll notice the time slider, which is located along the bottom, can move backward in time to the left to show how conditions have evolved. When you're looking at forecast products, you can move the time slider forward or to the right in order to see what weather is expected over the next several hours. In both observation and forecast mode, the valid time is located just above the time slider and can be switched from UTC time to local time by selecting the box from the map format portion of the map options. Another major upgrade to the GFA is the incorporation of the HEMS tool into the GFA framework. Switch to the low altitude data by clicking on the helicopter icon at the top of the screen. You will notice the level slider along the left reflects relevant heights in feet above ground level versus mean sea level, and the time slider is modified as well. A couple of important things to note while using the GFA. You'll find the legends under the info button at the bottom right of the map. And for more information, click the question mark at the top to lead you to help pages for the graphical forecast for aviation. We hope this quick introduction to the GFA has provided you with enough information to get started. If you have additional questions or comments, please leave us a message by utilizing the Contact Us envelope along the top. We look forward to hearing from you.